Yes, you're welcome back. We are going to continue with associative arrays. The associative arrays use name keys that you assign to it. The name key, it makes use of a named key, that is a name assigned to it. Good, let's quickly try it. You remember that when we are discussing about indexed array, you were told that the indexed array is numbered from 0 to the last item in it. Okay, just like in the case of this array, cars array, we numbered from 0, Peugeot 0, then BMW 0, 1, sorry, then Toyota 1. But in the case of associative array, instead of using that indexed number, you are going to use a name. Okay, you're going to use a name to refer to the value. All right, let's quickly try it. We are going to create a different array altogether for our associative array. Let's delete all these things. Okay. All right, let's start. Okay, you create, let's say, age. Array age, just create a variable age equals to, then you say array, you use array, array function. So inside array now, let's say we want to assign name to the age, like names of people and their ages. Names of people and their ages, okay? Let's say, let me assign Uche. Let me assign Uche. Then you use this sign, okay, to point to Uche's age. Okay, let's say Uche 35. Okay, then use comma. Then let's say another person, maybe John. John. Then you point to the age of John. John, let's say 40. Okay. Then the next, let's say Mary, input Mary 30, you point to it 30. Very good. Now looking at this is the key and this is the value. So this is the name you assign to this value. Do you understand? That is a named key. Okay, this is the named key and this is the value. Okay, so whenever you call this named key, then you are actually referring to this value. Okay, that is the idea. Let's quickly try. Let's actually use one of them to make a sentence or to write a simple code. Okay. Let me just do echo so that you see what it will give you. Let's say you want to get the value of John array, John, the value of this named key John. You can just say echo age. Echo age. Okay, age. You remember that age is actually the array. That's the age here. Okay. Then age. Then when you come to when you create angle bracket, then you put John inside it. I could put John. Okay, you create it. Now let's see what we'll get. So when we go to this and run it, you see we get 40. That is to say that this John has 40 that's the age 40. okay, as the value. So whenever you call any of this name, it will echo for you the value. You get that? Let me just call Uche so that you see. This is important when probably you have many values. You have many values in an array. This you have up to 20, 30, 40, even 100 values in an array. And in such situations, sometimes remembering the index may be challenging, okay, but it may be easy for you to remember the name that is associated with the value. You get that? So in that case, you have to decide to use associative array, okay. Okay, let's continue. Let's say in the course of writing your code, you can decide to do something like this. Let's say echo Uche, you insert a string, Uche is, then you make a space like you did before, then concatenate Uche is, then put age, open angle bracket, Uche is age, then you put Uche inside it, age Uche, okay. Then concatenate again, open bracket, quotation again, give a space, then you put years old. You close it. Simple. Now what we did right now is, you see that you used this Uche age 35, okay, here, okay, you used this associative array, okay, just say age Uche. If you understand, this is supposed to be easier, like when you have 50 persons or more, and their names is used to associate to their age. So if you are writing a code, you can easily call their age by just calling their name. It is easier, okay. Just like my name now, you say Uche is age Uche, it will now call 35. Okay, what if indexed is used? If in the index value like 1, 2, 3, 4 is used, if you have many value inside this, then it will be a challenge counting and knowing exactly the value of Uche's age. You get me? So by using this name, it makes it easy. Can just say Uche's age, then you get Uche's age, instead of struggling to or wasting your time looking for the key, as in the value of the index. Okay, now having done this, let's test it. Let's see what we get. We save it, we run it. You see, we'll get Uche is 35 years old, which is exactly what we want. So that is associative array.